Desire is like having a beautiful horse. We need to ask ourselves, are we riding this desire or is it riding us? Sometimes things we consider to be good fortune turn into chains that steal our freedom. This is a profound story illustrating the danger hiding behind free gifts and desires. In a small valley in the old mountains, a great spiritual guru lay on his deathbed. With a calm face, he gave his last teaching. He told his young student his final words, "My child, no matter how lovely it is, never take a horse that is offered for free." The young student was very confused by these strange words. Days passed and he was troubled. Then an older, wise monk came and explained the real meaning. Years ago, the guru was a young man searching for truth. He helped a merchant. The grateful merchant gave him the most beautiful and powerful white horse in the world. The guru first said no, but others convinced him to take it. At first, the horse was great and made his travel faster, but soon it became a burden. He had to spend a lot of money on food, water, a stable, care, and workers for the horse. To pay for all this, he started charging people money for his spiritual lessons. He soon forgot his simple search and became a rich, proud teacher with land and helpers. The horse helped him travel, but it made him lose his main goal. Years later, looking at the old horse sadly, he said, "You didn't carry me, I carried you. I lost myself while I was busy carrying you." The wise monk explained that the guru wasn't talking about animals but about desires. Every day, our minds give us free horses, a small fun thing, a little distraction, or a quick escape. When we accept these desires, saying just this one time, they slowly grow bigger. They start demanding all our time, focus, and energy. One day, the thing that was supposed to help you starts telling you what to do. You think you are controlling the desire, but the desire is actually controlling you. Most big failures don't start with a huge mistake, but with a small, seemingly harmless acceptance like this free horse. So never accept the free horse of pleasure. The thing you think you own may soon end up owning you. Similarly, in our own lives, the small distractions and minor pleasures we consider ordinary are the very forces that steal our freedom. A small desire we permit with the excuse just for today may seem like a smooth ride initially, but over time, it begins to dominate us. It steals our goals, time, and energy. For example, in scrolling through social media, eventually urges one to check their phone every hour, turning into a major compulsion that controls sleep, work, and productivity. Likewise, alcohol consumed once to relieve stress evolves into a habit, then a necessity, destroying one's health, finances, and relationships until the habit completely rules the individual. When we believe we are controlling a desire, it is often leading us in the wrong direction. The main point of this story is that we must stop even small habits when we feel them becoming too much. We must control our own time and life. If you like this story, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.